Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffery back with another video. All right, y'all. When y'all get this video, it will be Monday, October the 10th, 2022. And I'll be on my way to catch my cruise, y'all, when this come out. Cruising to Cozumel. 5 days, y'all. It's absolutely amazing. Never been on a cruise before, y'all know. I'm both nervous and excited. But I just want to take this moment. I don't know how to title this video. But 10 years ago today, October the 10th, 2012, I had a vision, a goal, and a purpose to create and start Old School Soul Food. It's been a long 10 years, a lot of ups and bumpy roads, ups and downs. Let me give y'all a little synopsis of how Old School Soul Food was created, like I shared on my personal Facebook page. It was created and given to an idea from me by a lady named Charlotte Chesney. She worked in the purchasing office, which I took over from her when she left. And this lady called Lorena, she was a waitress. What happened every Thanksgiving for the past 10 years, maybe 20 years now ago, I would do all the Thanksgiving uh, items. The turkey, the dressing, the cranberry sauce, sweet potato, mac and cheese, everything. I started it. I created it. It used to be, we used to do the go orders for Thanksgiving. It started out 20, 30 at a time. And when I left the club, it grew up to about almost 800 orders on Thanksgiving just for to go takeout. It grew from 10 to 15 to over 800. I grew it that much with the popularity of my homemade cornbread dressing, which you see my recipe for my mac and cheese with homemade cheese sauce, my glazed sweet potatoes with the butterscotch. And they say, why don't I create a page and put those recipes in a smaller format where people at home, because they would buy, the employees would actually buy this stuff. You know, you could buy it from the club, my job, and take it home for Thanksgiving because they could get it nowhere else like I did it. So they would buy it, the giblet gravy also, and buy it. They said, why don't I create a recipe? You saw how I make it. But it was in the large recipe form I had created because we made gallons and gallons of this stuff. We didn't make little quantities because I use it for the buffet also, Thanksgiving buffet. So I formulated the recipe. Why don't you share it online? Well, everybody can make it. And that's how it started. So what it did, I created, I said, why don't I do it on my personal page? I said, no, let me do it on another page. And I didn't know how to create business pages, nothing like that. Getting choked up. So I created the business page, and it was first, it was called Jeffrey's Down Home Specials, or Jeffrey's Down Home Cooking. It went like that for a couple of weeks, and then I changed it to Old School Soul Food. Them having a bigger format. I didn't want my name attached to it. Y'all already know my history of that. I don't want it to be about me. I want it to be about the food and the history. So with that being said, I had to somehow jump start it. So I had 250, 300 friends on Facebook. That's the only social media account I had. I had nothing else, and I very seldom posted on Facebook. So I had very few interactions with social media. What I mean, I had no social media account on Facebook. So yeah, and that's how it started. That day I started posting. I told my friends to kind of share the page, and pretty much the rest is history. I started out in 2012, October 10th, 2012, that day with about 50 people. Within that, I'm gonna give it that month. It had grew to maybe 100 people. So give it till November, I say 10. By Thanksgiving, it grew to 200 or 300 people. By Thanksgiving, it got that popular. And most of them, 95% of them was my friends that I knew on my personal page. So we're going forward. Let me show you how much God has done in that growth. I went from one social media page with 300 people, one social media account with 300 people in October 2010. One. Let me show you how God works with hard work, drive, and determination. This is only 10 years. It's not 20, 30, 40. 10 years. I have grown from this day. I got this all in my head. I should have wrote it down, but I got it in my head. My publisher's going to screw me up. So you need to write all this down when you tell. I got it in my head. I got this. Don't worry. I have grown from one, and I used to get how much traffic a month. Maybe 1,000 people would go to my page a month. They keep down the legs of this. So 1,000 people a month would visit my social media account. I only had one a month with 300 people. I've grown from that amount to the year to date right now. I have 9 social media accounts, 9 of them Old School Soul Food, with over 500,000 subscribers, family members. I have 500,000. Over, it really is 575,000 or 585,000 people actually signed up, subscribe to my social media account. That ain't people just going and watch it. My publisher say it's over 1 million if you count the people that this who visit. This is who sign up to watch every day. Every month, I went from 1,000 people visiting my social media accounts a month to 5 million. Now I have 5 million every month people visit my social media accounts monthly. 5 million people of all of them. That shows you how hard work, drive, and determination. And it doesn't start appreciation, number one, to my friends and relatives that I know on a personal basis that helped me get this started. Of course, all of y'all that watch my channel on a daily, monthly, and weekly basis, I really appreciate that because it helps my channel grow. But last but not least is my mom. When, without my mom showing me how to cook and and she helped me get through this too. In these 10 years, I asked my mom all these questions, this, and this, as it grow from more things, from only chicken and dressing and stuff like that. It grew to other things. As you know, my channel is not all about Thanksgiving anymore. It's about all kinds of other things. And my mom, she didn't realize what I was doing. She didn't understand the social media concept until later on before she passed away. She really knew. And every time I walk around, come around, she see if I had a camera and we gonna record. And she really was into it right at the end. She really, especially when she's getting the cards and letters and gifts and stuff like that, she really kind of knew. And then she started bragging on me also. So I really miss my mom dearly. Sometimes I get angry. I know it sounds conceited, but sometimes I get angry because I want, Mom, why you're not here? I still have questions and things like that. But I know God has another plan, and I have most time I have a good day, but some days I get mad, I get sad, I don't want to do stuff because my mom is not here anymore, and I have to get through it. But with y'all helped me so much. It's helped me so much, a lot, and like I say, this channel is not even near what it's going to be. I'm bringing more and more people on board to help me and guide me, and I'm enjoying life much more. As I told you in my last video last Monday, my team is working so much behind the scene where I can enjoy life and get out more and really promote this and help more people out in the, like I see, get out in the streets and help people more. And I'm building the thing for my mom's foundation. But anyway, I just want to tell you I love and appreciate each and one of y'all. And I'll be back next Monday for the motivation. We're going to keep going on with this financial thing. And I want to get y'all where y'all financial independent. I don't like to say wealthy. Wealth is a big time word. Financial independent is something where you don't have to stress about your finances, stress about money. You have money to pay your bills. You have money to free to travel and do what you want to do on a daily, monthly basis without having to stress over anything. So anyway, I love y'all. I won't be doing live here. Now, I may be doing a live today at 5 p.m., which I'll be on the ship in. I don't know how the reception going to be, even though I signed up for the Wi-Fi and all that. So I don't know how the reception stuff will be. I definitely want to do a live on the ship. I think they have, like they say, a sail away party or whatever on the deck. And I want to record that and do a live with that. So anyway, y'all stay tuned. I'm definitely planning to do a live this evening at 5 to 6 p.m. from the cruise ship. So it's going to be all the relaxation. I'm really going to try to detach because I don't really have a lot of contact with the outside world with phones and stuff. And I'm going to try to detach from my work and just kind of enjoy life and vent. So anyway, y'all, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I'm just getting you a little synopsis of how Old School Soul Food started 10 years ago and how it's continuing to grow, and just encourage somebody else out there that's trying to start a social media, trying to start a business, trying to start something. It's not overnight success. It takes a lot of hard work, drive, and determination. And one day I'm going to do an in-depth video, the ins and outs that I went to make it grow, and the mistakes I made and things you do's and don'ts. If you want a video on that, I'll let you know, because it's a learning experience when you do social media and success. Every success, like I tell the people, behind every successful business person, there's some downfalls and pitfalls that they went to help them grow for it. Like I tell you, I say this all the time. People see my glory, but they don't know my story. They don't know what I went to get to this level that I'm at now. But anyway, I love y'all. I will see y'all. There will be videos coming out this week. I don't know how my team gonna do it, which gonna be coming in, and then y'all gonna be saying, how Jeff doing videos here on the cruise? I have 20 videos already pre-recorded, y'all. I worked that hard. So when I do want to step away a week or two, I can do that, and the channel goes on. That's called being prepared, preparation. That's just the way it is. I don't just walk away and not prepare things. I'm always prepared for things, for situations. I'm always a step ahead of situations and things in life. I'm always a step ahead. That's just going by experience. So anyway, I love y'all. I will see y'all soon. And like I say, I'm nervous for this trip, and I'm excited for this trip. So anyway, I love y'all. I will see y'all in the, let me close this video right. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. The next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.